You don't know me again. Yes. Chief.
Yeah, what you tama?
Chief is me.
Elizabeth Nemo. Chitama.
Chief.
Cafe me offer.
Chief, this is me. I'm back.
Hey. Yeah, bro, go.
Chief, I'm back.
Yeah, we have already go. Hey, same time.
Chief,
Hello,
this is you. I'm not coming to your home.
Hi, Obinigwa Talaga. We have go watch him on the anchor. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
It has been a long time. You left the village.
Yeah, I traveled. I left the village. Yes.
Yeah.
How have you been?
We fine. No. Hey.
Let me come down.
Hey.
Calm down.
I see boy your child, bata.
Chief, is me. I'm back.
Oh, really?
I came back with my woman.
They told me you came back with your Obodo woman. I was so excitement. I said anyhow. Hello.
This is my uncle.
No, ma. Hey, why you ma? Ezi never know. I am. Ezi never know. Go. Onye nwere nne ya leze ya anya gong. Onye nwere nne ya leze ya anya gong ntị. Onye na-ewizi ugbu a egwu otu ụkwụ timbele mbele abụọ yi nwuru timbele mbele alọ ya nọkwute timbele. Hey, oh, your mother is now beautiful. You're welcome, ma.
Thank you, sir.
Wow, what a long time. You left, you carried your mother. Your mother, nobody sees her again. She left and become so fine. If I say, money is good though. Since your children make money, look at it. Who knows say Chief go make money?
Chief. Who are you talking about? My mother?
Nigga.
No. Chief, this is my fiancée. She's my fiancée. My wife to be.
Yeah, both also.
Fiancée.
And then Fagos how? Who the Fagos?
It's okay.
Which one be your fiancé?
Chief, calm down.
When you're not forgot, say, let go. You plank. Oh my, you people. You want to want to go. Get name a plank. Ma, who don't know you? When you the first sort of phobia here. Who don't know you? Bianca Kudo. You become so me.
Chief, come. Chief, what are you trying to say? Chief, why you embarrassing me before my fiancée? You know that woman? She's my wife to be. My baby mama. Chief, don't spoil everything for me. I'm even coming to call you so to follow me to their home. I want to go and pay her bride price.
Will you shut up your mouth? Who will follow you to go and do a dance of shame? Do I look like somebody who will go and be a part of dance of shame? If you want to dance for shame, carry your people from your kindred. Go and disgrace yourself. I can never be part of this nonsense. What do you mean?
Chief, be coming down.
Why will I calm down? No, why will I calm down?
Chief,
tell me one reason why I should calm down. Why should I calm down? That you brought you brought your mother home and you're telling me to calm down.
Chief, don't spoil everything for me. I'm begging you.
You are a spoiler. See, madam. Nama. Nama Marugu. Why you manaria? No. Why you brought up? Buruburu nana wine.
Excuse me.
Pump, abawa. Oh, the woman. Lele. Obrini babutu. Are we babutu to crab orange? Are we out there one bob?
Chief, is it a sin to meet you? Is it a sin?
It's not a sin to meet me, but it's a sin to carry what you cannot carry to the end.
This is my cross, Chief. This is my cross.
Cross, I'm able to get. No go got a can on to Christ, okay? I'm able to get a road here now because what you are venturing into is something that will bring bad name to our community, bad name to your family, and in fact, it's going to destroy you, give you a mental disorder.
Jesus.
Oh, yes.
Chief, please, point of correction. This woman here is my life. She has been the one helping me over there. And nobody gets to know how I felt. So nobody should even put hand inside this our relationship. This is my life.
This one, I go put my tanta joint. I will not tantam kanga won't get marriage. I go put her. I go put eye, I go put nose, I go put pepper. You now explain why you want to marry. He's not coming for you because he loves you. It is just because of that help you've rendered to him. That is the only thing. I am not against you marrying her. After all, she's beautiful. Very beautiful and classy. Because no woman is ugly. Every woman is beautiful. It depends on the hand that is handling her. Why I'm against, or what I'm against is, will you be proud of her to the end? All this speak and dump. You marry today, you dump tomorrow. You marry another one today because women are everywhere looking for whom to answer their name. And you think it's an opportunity for you to begin to go around. You promise. How will you feel after she must have had first child, second child by then? Yeah, aduko. Third child, pian. Fourth child, one, yam. Fifth one, bam. Sixth, 1 year, sekasha. Wow, 3-story building. Skyscraper. Ebemba boom open. Yeah, will say public yard. By then, again, matter say that she is not your class. You leave her at home and you begin to jump out. Now, Pierre is no more okay. All those small income girls where they wear handkerchief. You remember that she is not your class. That is where I am coming from. That is where what I'm driving at. That is what I am pointing at. I am not saying you didn't love her or she did not love you. She might love you because after all, she must love you. No choice. But it is you that I'm talking about. You are a small child that I say you na ga na na zo kwambe. Give makuru mama na bia na nomgonelu kwambe.
Chief, I regret having you as an uncle. I regret having. You know what? You are no longer my uncle again. Honey, let's go.
Excuse me, I want to.
Honey, it's okay. It's okay. Don't mind him. I'm with you. Honey, I'm with you. Just let's go.
This cry is the cry of letter. You are
let's go. Let's go,
please.
I'll. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Just leave him.
You can
I know how to handle him.
Okay.
I know how to handle him.
Handle her well. The same way you handle me.
Honey, it's okay. Let's go. Let's go, please.
Freaky cross. Put her inside your engine. Start here. Motor can come on, send to
let's go.
Give up and no,
guys. It's okay.
Madam,
I know how you feel. I know how you feel now. I know how you're feeling. Let's go, please.
Madam, enter car.
And it's okay.
Chief,
I'm coming for you.
Now you supposed to hold your child. Your picking hold you. Give him on the car. I am not telling you the truth. You think I am lying, or you think I hate you people. Enter engine, let him speed off. Why? Buy that guy. You don't mind. You think I feel here. Because yes, we go to Bogi Kalagana motor womb. Hey, motor cation. Hey.
No, ma. You want to spoil my relationship?
Madam,
do you know what this man went through?
What you go through, Kaya?
It's okay.
What you went through?
Policeman, get out!
You're not my uncle again.
Why you manaria? Cathedral. By now you question on a CWO. Manakwa ha wurun din ne chair lady. Lady person chair woman. I am not against him marrying you. There's nothing wrong with her marrying you. But the only thing I'm against, will you be proud of her till the end? Will you be proud of her because she has money? That is the reason you're jumping around her. Mommy, you know. Once that money finishes, or maybe she learns that you are doing 1 or 2 behind her. Give people. Because this evening is not good. I hate seeing young people who are lazy. Lazy young men that does nothing. I am now for young people who refuse to be reasonable, who refuse to be sensible, who refuse to make use of their time. This is time where all of you have to work. Nigeria is no longer the way it used to be. So do not depend on anybody. Don't depend on a woman. A woman will go and hustle. She will suffer through her this thing. And give us you will go and collect it. You'll be collecting, you'll be giving small girls. And you think if that woman lay a curse on you, it will not happen. Once she opens her mouth and lay a curse upon you, it will happen whether God wants it or not. It must surely happen. So go and start working. Look for something to do. Manual jobs. There is something. Earning small money is very important. Tomorrow night, you people will say this man too talk.
Now good evening, I tell you.
Oh, good evening. Oh, yeah, good advice. Now good evening. Hands out. Goody. I give you good evening. I give you good advice. What your father cannot tell you, I have told you. So go home and think about what I just said. And you people should stop pissing me off. I don't like it when young people lazy around. You go about you lazy. Tomorrow night, PM give one leg now.
Come house.
Come house, come on. Children of nowadays, you people hate truth. But truth is bitter, but I will keep on saying it. I hustled. My level today is because I worked for it. I hustled. I wasn't a dependent of anybody. I did not wait until a woman gives me before I can become somebody. I worked for it day and night, sleepless nights, till I become something. Everybody can still do the same. By the time you do it, you see yourself gloriously and anointously walking around without the impetus of incomprehensible discharge. What a mess.